I am Cameron Gibrito and I own California East. I know Newport Box Fit through my friend Sarah Kerwin, who's actually Jesse's sister-in-law. I used to go to Box Fit a lot with one of my cousins, and we went weekly. I haven't gone so much lately, but I need to get my butt back in the gym. And I also know Jesse and Men through Newport Rugby. California East is a primarily women's swimwear shop. I opened in 2017 with hopes that any woman could walk in here, any shape, size, or age, come in and find something that they feel comfortable and confident in. I opened primarily as a women's swimwear shop. Now I have expanded to children's and men's. And for the fall and winter, I've also introduced some clothing items as well as my own brand. California East is located at 458 Thames Street, and I do have a website and all social media if you'd like any more information.